In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and tap on General section right away if it's not already on. Then tap on About and select Name available at the top. Now it's time to type in whatever you want to. In my case, Sunny. And when you're ready, use this button at the top left corner of this section to go back. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my iPad has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!